Hello guys. Today we are study about basic Linux commands. It help you to build a basic idea about Linux commands. First open Kali or Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system. I am using Kali in here. Open terminal. It's the terminal window we can enter our commands here. ls This command is used for list the every folders in current directory. You can see this command shows every files in the directory. Same folders in the graphical window are showing in the terminal window. mkdir it's used to create a new folder. I am creating a new folder named 1. Press ls. You can see the folder named 1 is created here. pwd. This command is used for locate the directory or path we are in. You can see the path in here. We are inside in the home Kali folders. cd. It's used to navigate between folder or directory. cd. File name, to open a file. Enter pwd. It's showing we are in the folder 1. Enter ls. Nothing is showing here because the folder is empty. Clear this command is used for clear every command we entered. Sudo su to access root privileges. Enter your password to continue. Now we have root access. CPR used for copy a folder. Type CPR folder name and copying path. Here my folder name is 1, so I am enter that name. I am copying file 1 to documents. So path is home Kali documents. Enter some letters and press tab switch it automatically fill the name. cd documents to open folder documents. Enter ls to show folders in the documents folder. You can see folder 1 is in here. rmr is used to delete folders. Enter rm, r and folder name. Here my folder name is 1. Enter ls again to show the folders. You can see our folder named 1 is deleted. Let's discuss more commands in the next video. If you can learn anything from my video, please show some love in the form of subscribe. Thanks for watching.